Hello, I'm David from Racom Product Management Team, and today I would like to talk to you about our Ray 3 Microwave Link product family. Ray 3, the third generation of our microwave product line, was designed to meet all customer requirements based on feedback and experience from previous generations of Ray, producing an even more powerful radio and implementing the latest state-of-the-art technology. Ray 3's exceptional speed, spectral efficiency, reliability and quality appeals to ISPs and telco operators in all corners of the world. With introduction of 10 gigabit per second Ray 380, we have crossed another threshold and can offer even more flexibility and speed to our customers. In this presentation, I will explain why Ray 3 is ideal for backbone and high-speed last-mile infrastructure and already the product of choice for many. Let me start with an executive overview of the product, then summarize key features, and finally introduce one of our partners with a selected case study showing why Ray 3 is the smart choice as a key component of any extensive broadband network. Racom Ray microwave links have been on the market since 2009 and are used all over the world in some of the most demanding environments, including deserts, frozen wastes, tropical regions or windy coastlines. There are three key applications of Ray 3 links: high-speed backbones, broadband last-mile connections for metallic or optical backhauls, and LAN extensions in places where physical wiring is impossible, impractical, or simply too expensive. For this overview, we have selected 8 areas to focus on, which we believe are the key aspects to consider when designing an application using a microwave link. Let's start with performance. Ray 380 offers a maximum full duplex speed of 10 gigabits per second, while the rest of the family offers 1 gigabit per second. All the Ray 3 models deliver both exceptional radio parameters and surprising ease of use, both in installation and management. To name just a few exceptional features: small size and low weight, exceptionally low power consumption, and resiliency against interference. All advanced features are implemented, including wide range of supported channel widths and modulations, ACM or ACMB in the case of Ray 380, ATPC, etc. Connectivity is provided by SFP, Ethernet and USB ports. It can be powered using Power over Ethernet or direct DC power. Thanks to its fast CPU and optimized operating system, operations like boot up and firmware upgrades are lightning fast. On the top of all that, Ray 3 17 and 24 allow channel placement anywhere in the band. Together with a broad range of asymmetric channels, it greatly increases flexibility in high-density deployments. This allows our users to establish a link even in a situation where the available spectrum is so fragmented by other nearby operated links and equipment that no other product would allow to even think about a reliable link. Ray 3's receiver is a true market leader with more than -100 dBm sensitivity, delivering exceptional interference tolerance. Some clients are running Ray 3 links in near non-line of sight conditions. You can run a reliable 1 gigabit per second link at a distance of over 4 kilometers for 17 and 24 GHz free bands. We even have a customer using 24 GHz link with a speed of 500 megabits per second over 15 kilometers. The link is reliable in all weather conditions. Our 10, 11 and 18 GHz license bands operate 1 gigabit per second link easily on distances up to 15 kilometers, while half a gigabit link can easily reach more than 30 kilometers. 80 GHz band delivers its top speed of 10 gigabits per second in each direction for links up to 3 kilometers. Our latest, Ray 380, offers innovative ACMB technology. In case of bad weather, this feature not only reduces modulation to keep the link alive, but it also can reduce bandwidth, so you can count on the link being always available. Real-life experience shows Ray 380 is extremely reliable even in heavy storms. As with all Racom products, manufacturing quality is paramount. We design and manufacture all the Ray 3 units in Czechia, EU, and rigorously test them before sending a link to the customer. With a robust die-cast aluminum chassis and climatic chamber testing of every single unit, Ray 3 has mean time between failures of over 100 years and can be operated in temperatures ranging from -30 to 55 degrees Celsius, that is, -22 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. To add to the robustness of the radio, we also equipped each unit with powerful electrostatic and electric surge protection. It probably does not surprise you that we offer a full 3-year warranty on every Ray 3 unit as a standard. Secure communication is essential in the modern day, and Ray 3 offers a wide range of features to make the wireless link as secure as possible. All peer units are constantly monitored to ensure there is no exchange without authorization. Each unit has its own unique SSH key. Additionally, role-based access control improves security of maintenance and diagnostics tasks. And in case there is a problem during remote unit setup, both units automatically roll back settings to achieve a reliable link again. Asymmetric channels offered by Ray 10, 11, 17 and 18 and 24 are quite a unique feature. Let's discuss it in a bit more depth. Spectrum often is quite full, and it can be hard to find space for 2 wide channels. That is why Ray 3 allows users not only to place TX and RX channels anywhere in the band, but also to set different channel widths and modulations to ensure every available part of the spectrum is utilized. In the case of Ray 317 and 24, it is possible by bleeding-edge technology built into each unit. They don't use a fixed hardware duplexer in the middle of the band, but a polarization switch with much narrower gap between TX and RX channels, which can be placed anywhere in the band by software. Ray 3 for unlicensed bands meets the standards for licensed bands. So channels in neighboring units on the same side can be placed directly next to each other without fear of interference. On a busy location, these features could make the difference between a link being installed or not. Our partner in the US runs a Ray 3 link over Central Park in New York. To paraphrase his words, no other technology could achieve a reliable link in such a busy place. Ray 3 is a pay-as-you-grow product, able to support every scenario. It means functionality of each link can be expanded as required using software keys. Ray 3 family also is very power efficient, typically a half what similar units from our competitors need, and can be easily operated off-grid just using solar power. Another unique feature is wide DC power voltage range from 20 to 60 volts on 10, 17 and 24 GHz units, and 37 to 60 volts on all other ones. Each unit is mounted directly to the antenna and uses the same mount as previous Ray generations, allowing clients to gradually upgrade their network without the need for new antennas or mounting adapters. We offer a comprehensive set of tools for management and diagnostics. Ray 3 is delivered with a Wi-Fi adapter placed in the USB port, which can be used for wireless, out-of-band web management. Both units on the link are managed from one window using a web-based admin interface. Detailed diagnostics tools like charts, SNMP and Spectrum Analyzer are available. Ray 3 also features simultaneous fast firmware update of both units. To simplify installation, we created a RayTools mobile app for both iOS and Android, featuring antenna alignment tools with acoustic indication for voltmeter-free installations. The app displays RSS plot to further simplify alignment. You can use it to calculate link conveniently in the field or even to access Ray 3 admin interface directly from the app. Here is a summary table of all Ray 3 products. As you can see, there are a lot of options for you to choose from. See our website for comprehensive technical details. Now, let me summarize. Ray 380 achieves outstanding maximum speed of 10 gigabits per second at 128 QAM. All other Ray 3 units achieve 1 gigabit per second at 2048 QAM with the highest possible modulation of 4096 QAM. Some even feature flexible channel placement and asymmetric channels to maximize throughput in saturated environments. Ray 3 links can be reliably operated in a wide range of temperatures thanks to its legendary build quality and rigorous testing. The link is reliable in near and loss conditions thanks to exceptional sensitivity and interference tolerance of the receiver. Peer units are permanently monitored to ensure uncompromised security of wireless transfers. Channels ranging from 3.5 MHz to 112 MHz or even 2 GHz in case of Ray 380, together with a software adjustable polarization switch in some bands, deliver exceptional spectral efficiency and flexibility. Unit management controls both sides of the link from the same window and offers a full suite of diagnostics and monitoring tools. Our mobile RayTools app simplifies hardware installation and configuration as well as management of the link. And in case there is a particular situation that requires it, our engineers are always ready to lend a hand. Let's travel to Australia for a while to see how Ray 3 excels in the demanding conditions of the Melbourne area. Summit Internet is a business internet service provider covering over 4,500 square kilometers in both metropolitan and rural areas. They are delivering carrier and business services to thousands of demanding clients. Ray 3 is used for high-speed backhaul, in some cases covering distances over 10 kilometers with a single link. Ray 3 is valued for its excellent stability and reliability in all instances by Summit. Building and maintaining their network is no small feat. Summit Internet caters to many business clients that demand service-level agreements, where the slightest drop in service quality can have serious consequences. Moreover, some parts of their network are in metropolitan areas with high interference, and other parts cover rural areas with little infrastructure and a demand for long-range links, and sometimes even off-grid installations which depend on solar power. Ray 3's flexibility enables efficient use of available spectrum thanks to its high resistance to interference and asymmetric channels. It also features low modulations and narrow channels enabling long-range links in rural areas, and it is also solar ready. RayTools helps speed up installations. Ray 3 delivers reliable links in all those conditions, resulting in less maintenance and happier customers. All of these are valid reasons why Summit has chosen to make Ray 3 its radio of choice in these environments. And a similar story can be heard from hundreds of other Ray 3 users. The latest proof is the Golden Gigabit Award we received in 2023 from the Czech ISP community for the greatest contribution to the development of Internet in the Czech Republic. Thank you for listening. If you need any more information, please get in touch with us. Thank you and have a great day.